My name is Ikaguchi Joy. I am
Okay.
the sales rep of EcoBroad Agency, an online advertising agency based in Port Harcourt. We recently created a platform called Easy Lab where we help businesses gain clarity and visibility. I want to know, why should people buy from you?
There are lots of people that have been into bridals, and there still are people into bridals. But Reveal International is exceptional. We are different. First off, we do not have the regular dresses. These dresses you just find anywhere now. All our dresses, before we buy our dresses, we ensure they are unique, they are classy, they are dresses that will stand the test of unique. Another thing about Reveal International is this is home for brides. I'm not just concerned about just rent a dress and go. I'm concerned about you, how your day is going to turn out, how prepared you are, even down to the hairstyle. We also